Yeah, hello, I'm Timo Thomas, and I'm presenting the revision of the WFS Temporality Extension discussion paper. First, some background. The motivation for the Web Feature Service Temporality Extension is that previous testbeds revealed limitations of the WFS standard when applied to dynamic features, such as we have them in AIXM. When AIXM features are queried through a WFS, time plays a significant role in almost all queries. However, the WFS standard is unaware of the temporal dynamics. Time is treated as any other property of a feature. The result of this is, to put it briefly, that for some use cases, this may result in inefficient queries from a client's perspective. Work on the temporality extension started after OWS 8 and resulted in an OGC discussion paper. In OWS 10, that discussion paper was refined and advanced to meet the formal requirements of an OGC standard. What was accomplished? The WFS Temporality Extension now is compliant to the OGC specification model. This means that all requirements are clearly identified and described, and those belonging together are grouped into requirements classes. Based on those requirements classes, conformance classes are defined. An abstract conformance test suite was created to support the testing of a service implementing the new functionality. Both Web Feature Service and filter encoding standards were extended, and those extensions were modeled using UML. The encodings in XML schemas were created by an automated process using a software tool. To be able to apply and demonstrate the extensions on a concrete set of AIXM data, the existing Donlon dataset, which is created and maintained by Eurocontrol, was extended by data utilizing the temporal dynamics of AIXM. On that dataset, a number of example queries were defined. Those lay the groundwork for a future executable test suite for the WFS Temporality Extension. What are the resulting benefits for the community? The WFS Temporality Extension now meets the formal requirements of an OGC standard. A basis was created to allow the implementation of a web feature service with specific and efficient support for the dynamic nature of AIXM features. Provided that future implementations successfully demonstrate its qualities, the discussion paper could be augmented to an OGC best practice. The WFS Temporality Extension is tailored to AIXM, but its principles lay a foundation for querying dynamic feature data with web feature services in general.